as far as the gold valves go, the big advantage here, this is a lower friction piston. So this piston is going to produce less friction within the shock body compared to many of your factory pistons. These are very sticky as they're sliding up and down in that shock body. And then the other part of that is you can see how small these compression ports are in the factory piston compared to the compression ports in the gold valve. And this is the compression side. This is the rebound side. And it's the same way, you know, on the WP piston, more restrictive, more friction. So what we're able to achieve with these gold valves is we have greater tunability with these larger ports. And this is an example. This is a mid valve that comes out of the air forks. It's plastic with a plastic band, very cheap. And this is also not tunable. The mid valve holder and the WP forks, you cannot adjust float, you cannot adjust that mid valve. It's a check plate system. So with the gold valve system, we're able to adjust that. You know, tune the float, tune your the overall feel.